Welcome back to my channel. Today is still about hair growth and how to get that nice healthy hair. This is all about gel. Now, not any type of gel. I'm not going to the store to buy it. I'm actually going to make some gel that's going to work for my type of hair, and hopefully it's going to make my hair grow. They say it's going to be silky and shiny, it has omega-3, and it's organic. The only thing, it expires in 2 weeks, so you just want to make enough to last. So this video I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to make it, and I'm actually going to apply it to my hair. You're going to have still water. I just bought purified water from my own baby, you know. It's inexpensive. Usually it's $1. Don't use faucet water because it has a lot of chemicals in it. You want to make for sure this comes out really great so you get the results you want for your hair. You can buy a tub or a bag of flax seeds. Make sure it has no season in it, or it's just pure, fresh, organic flaxseed. And you can order from Amazon too. I'll put it down below where you can buy some flaxseed. So I went ahead and already got a cute little mug, right? I put the flax seeds, I poured the flax seeds in there, about 4 spoonfuls. And this is a stocking cap. And I put the flax seeds in there and water. I had this sitting for almost a whole day in the refrigerator because I wanted the flax seeds to get really moist. I wanted to get everything out of that flax seed because the flax seeds, again, has a lot of omega-3, and that's what you're going to be using to make your gel. So hopefully it absorbed it overnight. It looks a lot gooey and thick. So we're going to just put the remaining that's left of the water in this hot boil of water. I'm only filling it like halfway. Like I said, I don't need like a lot of gel. And I'm actually just gonna squeeze the juice out of there. You could wear gloves if you want, you know. It's nice and sticky and gooey. I might as well just put some in my hair now. No, I'm playing, you guys. That's not the end product. We want it really nice and thick. So let's put the temperature a little bit higher. Let that sit in there for a little bit. Make sure this does not get put on fire. So let's just kind of like wrap it around here like that. Silky. So after this is boiling, really hot, and my flax seeds get even more swollen and blown up, I'm going to get another plastic jar that I'm actually going to squeeze.
So I cut the stocking bag and put the remaining of the flax seeds in the pot so I can be able to stir it.
So we're going to just put a little bit of honey in there so it can get a little bit thicker. And I'm going to put about like a teaspoon in there. And that should really help thicken up our flaxseed gel. I can see it getting much thicker now after I put the honey in there. So just 2 more minutes. It's so nice and thick now, you guys. It's been 5 minutes now. I'm getting the results that I want. Look at that. Look at that. That's great. So let's drain this. This is really nice and thick now. just gonna turn the temperature, turn it off, stir it up a little bit more. Boom, 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 boom. And you remember I put that stocking on here. Make sure it's on there nice and tight. And I'm gonna just pour it in here. See, my pot has a little curved part for a pour, you know. So just gonna pour it slowly in there. There we go, there we go. Nice. Make sure you get all of that in there. Just gonna scrape the remaining, get every last little piece. I'm gonna let this sit in the refrigerator just a little bit so it can cool off so I can squeeze the remaining out of the seeds. And I'm gonna have some nice gel. Look at that. So I'm gonna just put the lid on this for a little bit, let it cool off. Put it in the refrigerator, let it chill for like a minute or two, you know, and then we'll start squeezing that good gel out of there.
So it looks like I still need to cool it off. It's still hot coming out of the refrigerator. So I'm probably going to let it drain, set up this thing in the cabinet so it can actually just drip into the cup. And so less work I have to do. So just let it drain, you guys. So just letting it drain. Now it's time to squeeze. It does get a little bit messy, so make for sure you get it all in the jar. It's very thick. So keep squeezing and squeezing and make for sure you get it all in the jar, you guys. And how you know you're going to be done is when you keep squeezing it and you can't get no more to come out. And then you know that you're done. You can't get no more. So the remaining of this on my hand, I'm actually just going to put it in my hair. Oh, well. Yeah, it feels great. Just slide it through the hair. And I like it. It's my first time ever trying this. This is nice. It feels good. I just got to make for sure to slip it through. My hair is dry. Next time I'll apply it will probably be when my hair is wet.
I hope you guys follow along with the whole video and did all the steps. Let me know the feedback if it worked out for you. I actually love it because it made my hair actually have a nice strong hold. It's actually pretty stronger than what I thought. So if you do it with no honey, with honey, it doesn't matter. Please leave comments down below, like it, and stay tuned to my next video, you guys.